So I just pulled in here following a C8 Corvette trying to race him, and I found out that there's a car meet here, and I just met the guy, Katie Car Meets. Here's my baby, cooling off, getting a little bit of, see that end? El Camino SS. That's freaking clean. So this one's a more of a classics, but here's the new M4 competition. Oh, that is sick. C7 just pulled up. Oh, I want to play. I want to play. Oh my gosh, that is so sick. M4 competition.
Is that a new record call?
Oh, look at that carbon fiber diffuser. Oh, that is sick. Old school Corvette, old school Rolls Royce. Corvette, Porsche, another old school Porsche. I don't even know what this is. This is gorgeous though.
Every Saturday we got your little car show.
Look at all the internals.
50 people.
Old school Trans Am Ram Air. How y'all doing? Doing good. Here's the M4 competition. Carbon fiber. Oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. It's a 2021 M4 Harman Kardon. 2024. I mean 2021. Beautiful.
I could have got one. Not a red eye, but the issue is.
Look at those seats.
From the regular, like yours, to the red eye.
Look
a
at
lot
that
of colors dropped
gold
off.
flake.
16 and 18.
Check
I
out
think
that
they had
gold
that. I
flake.
think they had that with the.
What I found online.
Really? Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, you got the start-stop button in the middle. That is freaking cool.
So that's that's got the competition transmission.
Oh, dude, that is. I didn't even know it says
So the regular M4s are sticks.
Oh, really?
Yes. So you get the M4 competition and you get the
DCT transmission, right?
Exactly.
Oh my god, you even have carbon fiber paddles, and this was all from the factory.
Yes.
See, that's what oh my gosh, it's beautiful, man. Oh, and the thing about the M3s and the M4s that I've always loved, that the 5 Series doesn't have, and of course, again, because it's a luxury meaning, but is the stance, that ass in, the way they sit back like that is just fantastic.
And this one, the way they
the way they bulge it out and everything, and you got the carbon fiber lip here.
Yeah.
God, everything is beautiful, man.
Yeah, that's one reason I went with the competition. Remember, it had a little more horsepower.
I'm saying,
it had the automatic transmission. I didn't want to be sitting there sticking it all the time.
I know. And here's the thing: if you're going for that much money, spend the extra 10 grand to get the competition. It's so stupid not to do that.
That's always my thought.
You know, carbon ceramics, no.
Yes.
Oh yeah, you got. Oh god, that's sick. Well, I guess I get confused because on the 5 Series they're always gold. The calipers are always gold.
I could have picked a different color caliper, but I like the red.
Oh, they let you change it. Okay. Well, those are just they're not carbon ceramics.
They're metal brakes.
Okay, they're steel. Yeah, they're okay. That's what I thought. Yeah, because normally they're
metal.
Yeah.
So they whine, squeak all the time.
Really?
Like they said in the manual, until they warm up, they just.
Yes, and I noticed even on mine, I have to like pump. You gotta really warm it up. So this is a flat 6 twin turbo, 505 horsepower.
Correct.
This is beautiful. Beautiful car. 2016 Dodge Hellcat. I was gonna tell you, what made you not go for the wide body? Freaking love the wide bodies. To me, it's so much better.
2000, when I bought this car, it was 2015, no such thing.
Oh, okay. So that wide body came out later. Okay.
Came out later, yeah.
Look at this purple. What's the actual color code? Oh my gosh.
It's plumb crazy.
Plum. Look at that caliper, man. That is huge.
I didn't put that on,
I know.
but I have replaced the pad on it.
Yeah, I did the rotors on mine. You know, my rotors are actually bigger than a LaFerrari's. Isn't that by 2 millimeters?
They put good brakes on those cars.
Yeah, for sure. This is fantastic. You didn't do too many crazy mods or anything like that, huh?
I haven't.
This is just ZL1 Camaro.
To make it so there's tons of it, they can take something
Carbon
costs
fiber.
$25. That's how their economy works down there. That's how they're, that's why they're in control. Heroin, most of the stuff that's derived from opium hobbies, most parts come from South Mexico.
Kingwood to unofficial class reunion.
And then the last thing that you do
Another ZL1. Beautiful spoiler on it. He's got the Corsa exhaust.
also the eyes and the shaking head, but
Freaking beautiful. Not even an American car lover, it's freaking beautiful.
to give it more of a diamond shape.
Freaking beautiful. Look at those calipers. And I'm not even an American car lover. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm a car lover. Is this yours?
Yeah.
This is freaking fantastic, man. I love the spoiler. Normally, I don't like it on certain cars. I have the ducktail. You're gonna make him. In 10 years, you're gonna be like, why did I get him addicted? This is the Camaro clean Bose system. Check out these Recaro seats. ZL1. Smells so good in here. 1 month old. Heated and cooled seats.
I've seen some of these, like one of these full carbon with the box, like
He's got heated and cooled seats on it, and then see this right here.
So it winds more for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's like night and day.
Yeah, I'll be getting that soon.
Beautiful.
Just ship it to work. Go downstairs and install it. Do you hear the sucking? Because on the Mustang I had a JLT Giant, and I could hear it's like a small whistle, just a little whistle.